So, what do you do when things don't work out in your life? If you're new here, welcome. My name is Shubhali. I work at the nexus of coaching, therapeutic modalities, and spirituality, specifically guiding women in their inner work journeys. In this video, I'll be talking about what people tend to do versus what it is that you should be doing when things are not working out in your life. Let's dive right in. Now, usually, people will either tend to become the victim or the villain or the hero when things are not working out. What that means is, if something is not working out, one might feel like, oh my god, this is happening to me, this always happens to me, I don't know why this happens to me, people do this XYZ to me, things never work out for me, my luck is not good, I don't have da 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 da. Victim. Or they tend to feel, oh my god, there must be something terribly wrong with me, there is something I don't do enough, I am not enough, something is wrong with me, villain. Or the third category, which usually the world sees as a great category, is it didn't happen this time, I will make it happen, I will make it happen, I will do much more, I will dot 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 dot, hero. Yeah, so most people will tend to do one of these three things when something doesn't work out for them. What should you do instead? Here's my take on it. When something does not work out, the first thing to do is to pause and take note of what played out, how things played out. Some might call it reflection, right? So you can call it reflection. Basically, what you need to do in reflection is to pause, see how things played out, not overthink it, but literally just analyzing, noticing how things have played out, and then seeing, is there a bigger picture that I might be missing? If something hasn't played out the first time, yeah, let's say you tried something the first time and it didn't work out, sure, this is exactly what you need to do, and you can see, oh, okay, maybe I tweak something here, maybe I tweak something there, and then next time maybe it'll work out. However, if something repeatedly is not working out for you, that's when we need to take a little further step back and see, hey, what's happening in my life? How am I being and how am I responding to life that seems to again and again create the same situation, circumstance? You could call it a failure, a hurdle, a struggle. Basically, it's a circumstance, it's a situation that's just repeating itself, right? So first, pause, notice. If it's the first time, maybe a few tweaks here and there, and then try it again. If it's not the first time, if it's been repeating, then really taking a further step back and seeing, how am I responding to life? See, everything that's happening right now, it's not happening out of thin air. It's happening because of numerous moments, actions that you have chosen. Whether or not conscious is a different thing. Most people make unconscious choices at every moment. Some people make some conscious choices. So whether or not consciously chosen, all the choices of all the moments past have resulted in this present situation, in this present moment. And if I want to change the next, I can't change this present moment, right? Because this present moment is happening right now. However, I can change the next present moment, and the only way to change the next present moment is how I choose to respond to this one right here, right now. And so when things are not working out in your life, this is what you need to try and get an understanding of what is really happening in my life, how is it that I'm responding to life, how have I been responding to life so far that has resulted in this current situation, and okay, now if I want to change this, how do I respond from here on? Yeah, so let me just quickly check if there's anything else. Yeah, the other thing, right? So this, I said, choose to respond now differently if you want a different result. One of the core important things here is to have a positive frame of mind, and this positive frame of mind doesn't mean, oh, everything is great, eyes closed. That's not what a positive frame of mind means. What a positive frame of mind means is, if it's, according to you, if it's a failure, you've lost, it's a failure, something is not worked out for you, instead of closing in, instead of using the victim or villain or even hero mindset, many a times hero mindset is escapism. Instead of using any of those mindsets, instead of closing down, open up. That's the positive mindset. Open up, saying, okay, didn't work out this time. Let's try something else next time. Every time that you try something else with an open space, you are changing your destiny. Because wherever you are right now is because of the way you've been responding, the way you've been acting so far, right? And now, by choosing something consciously different, you are changing your destiny. The third thing is, whatever is happening in your life, whatever has happened in your life so far, whatever is happening in your life right now, whatever will happen in your life throughout your life is only happening to give you the platform, to give you the opportunity to evolve. Continual evolution is our only purpose. All human beings, we're here to continually evolve as beings. And so whatever is happening in my life right now is happening for my greater evolution. And if you can look at your life, at whatever has happened so far, at whatever is happening right now, at whatever will happen in future, from that lens, that this is for my greater evolution, your life will transform right in front of your eyes. All right, I'm going to pause with that. Would love to hear how this lands with you. If you have any questions hereof, or if there are other life situations, life circumstances that you're going through, other questions that you have, anything in and around inner work, healing work, shadow work, anything around coaching, therapy, spirituality, I'd welcome it here. And I will see you next week.